Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Aspect's Phytostat 9 moisturiser. Now, if you are looking for a cream that does it all, then Phytostat 9 is your go-to moisturiser. The beauty of Phytostat 9 is that it can be applied all over your face, around your eyes, your neck and your décolletage. Phytostat 9 is great if your skin is lacking moisture, feels dry and or dehydrated, looks dull and is in desperate need of brightening. Now this cream is so smart, it adjusts to the specific needs of your skin 24/7 to hydrate, nourish, calm, restore moisture reserves and slow down the signs of aging. Now its key ingredients, there are many. There's Kakadu plum extracts, an Australian native fruit, high in our antioxidants, assists in reversing free radical damage. It also has sunflower oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil and macadamia seed oil, all which nourish the skin. It's great for aging skin, dehydration, dryness, also great for a sensitive skin as well. Now this can be used morning and night, which is the beauty of this cream. So what you would do, you would apply a small pea-sized amount onto clean hands, spread evenly over the face, your neck and your décolletage. For that extra boost of hydration, I would recommend using the Aspect Hydrating Serum. Apply 1 pump of hydrating serum over your face, your neck and your décolletage, followed by your Phytostat 9 moisturiser. So if you would like to purchase your Phytostat 9 moisturiser, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply just click on the link below. Have a great day and I'll see you next time.